Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So my tip of the day for you guys, gals that have had us out to your home to do an inspection and there is a foundation issue, we want you to get on our books as quickly as possible because we're starting to book into February of next year already, believe it or not. We're expanding again, so we'll be able to accommodate some of you, but at the beginning of the year, we always have a rush of new projects coming in. So if you don't want to fall into March and April of next year for your project to be completed, please get a hold of us by the end of the year so we can get you booked and keep your projects on track and on schedule. All right, and that's your foundation repair tip of the day.